and welcome. I'm working on the Factoring Binomials Mixed Review homework. I am looking at number 14 in this particular video. If I look at number 14, I see a trinomial, and I also see there is no GCF. I don't have a number greater than 1 that can go into 7, 6, and 1, and there is not an x in every term, so no GCF. I'll give a little explanation point. I have a leading coefficient greater than 1, so I am going to have that more work process. A equals 7, B equals -6, and C equals -1. So when I draw the big X, I know that B will go into the top, and A times C, which is going to be -7 in the bottom. So factors of -7 that add to -6. Well, the nice thing about 7 is it's a prime number, so I've got a 7 and a 1. I just need to figure out which one I want negative. Since my B is negative, and so I want my sum to be negative, I'm going to make my larger number negative. -7 plus 1 is -6. -7 times 1 is -7. So those are my two factors that I will use to then rewrite this. 7x squared minus 7x plus 1x minus 1. Alrighty, remember, I'm just rewriting this middle term. I'm going to create with parentheses two distinct binomials. And now I'm going to look for the GCF of each. If I look here, I know that 7 and an x can be removed from each term. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 2 minus 1, I've got 1x. -7 divided by 7 is a -1. 1 minus 1, I got 0x. This one is a little trickier because we normally don't factor out a 1, right? But I need another piece with this binomial. I need a binomial times a binomial for this really to work. So I am going to factor out a 1. 1 divided by 1 is just 1, and I'm left with 1x. And I'm not going to write the 1 this time. -1 divided by 1 is -1. And by doing this, I've given myself the two pieces that can be factored. Well, I can then have this x minus 1 factored out. And now I have my answer. Thanks so much.